Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I just kind of wanted to do a shopping try-on haul video for you guys, show you some of the new things I've been purchasing for this summer because I've been trying out like new styles of clothes I wouldn't typically buy, like some crop tops and high-waisted things. Like that's not normally my style, but I've actually really been loving it this summer. And I also bought a couple of new rompers. They're like my favorite thing to wear. So yeah, I just want to share the things that I got for the summer with you guys. Obviously I got a lot more than this, but this is just like the most recent items, kind of give you guys a feel for what style I'm wearing this summer. If you guys enjoy this kind of video, just be sure to give it a thumbs up so I know, and I'll do more of these later on. So yeah, let's just get started. So the first thing I have to show you guys is this new romper. I actually think this one I got from Target, I want to say, because it's the Exhilaration brand. I'll try to leave everything linked down below that I can, but I've actually never done one of these before, so not really sure if I'll be able to find these exact clothes, but they're always coming out with new rompers. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's just a black romper. It's got a bunch of little flowers and stuff on it. What I really like about this one is that it looks really dressy down at the bottom. You know, I love those kind of rompers that, you know, you can swish around in them like a little dress. My boyfriend was making fun of me the other day because I was like, look, it swishes. Other romper I got was this like navy blue one. I love this color on me. It's probably one of my favorite new colors. Like all of my favorite pieces of clothing have this like navy dark blue color to them. But what I really like about this one is the arms, because it kind of just hangs off your shoulder a little bit. It just is really girly. I wore it out on a date one night and it's one of my favorites. It's so cute. Next outfit is one of my favorites, and I typically won't wear these kind of clothes just because of the fact that I am really short. Like I am not a tall person, so I normally can't pull off a maxi skirt, but I love that the ones that go with the crop tops I can wear because they go so high up on my waist that it does fit me okay. Forgot to tell you guys, the navy blue romper that I got is from Forever 21. I love that store. Like, I have never shopped there usually just because we don't have one in our area, but we have one about an hour away from here, and I finally made it in to go check it out, and now I see why everyone is obsessed with buying clothes from there, because they have some really cute outfits at a really decent price. So I'm definitely going to be going back. I want to try to start ordering things online. I just have to figure out exactly what size like I'm in, because certain things don't fit me the same, like the high-waisted shorts I'm about to show you guys. This next outfit is from Charlotte Russe, and it's this olive green like crop top shirt. I absolutely love it. It kind of like cuts off right there and just gives it a little something. But I got it to match with this high-waisted skirt. I also got this at Charlotte Russe. It's just so pretty. It's black with that same olive green like leaves on it with pretty little flowers, and it's got these little slits in the legs, so I really enjoyed that. It's really comfortable to wear, and it just feels nice during the summer. It's like not too hot or anything. I picked up these high-waisted shorts from Abercrombie and Fitch. It's so weird the way that they do the sizing, because usually I'm in like a small, and jeans I'm probably in about a 3 to a 5, I think. But with high-waisted it says size 25. I don't know. I tried on a couple different pairs. This is what it looks like. I love these ones where it folds up right here at the ends. I don't like any of the shorts that don't fold up at the bottom like that. Like, especially not high-waisted. They just don't look right on me. So I like that it has that feature. And then it's just got a couple little rips here on the sides. I don't know. I've been feeling the crop tops lately. So the next shirt I have to show you guys is from Abercrombie and Fitch. So I got this with the high-waisted shorts. I got it in this dark navy blue color, just like my romper kind of, except it's a little bit more dark than that. And it's got that same like olive type green color that I like with some flowers on it. So it's just really cute. It's got these little like buttons in the front. They don't come unbuttoned or anything. And then it cinches a little bit at the bottom. I really like this. You can wear it either way, either up on your shoulders or off of them. The only thing I found about that was when I would wear it off my shoulders, when I would move, it would keep kind of coming up on me. So that was the only annoying thing about that. So you gotta make sure you got it tight down there. I went shopping at Burlington Coat Factory, and I ended up picking up these cute shorts. I bought like several different pair. I got them in different colors and a little bit of different styles, but I really like just have been enjoying their clothes, like some of them lately. Like the shorts are just at a really good price, and they're really comfortable. To go along with that, I got this cute shirt, of course, in that like navy blue. I told you guys, I'm obsessed with that color. And then it's got these pink flowers on it. I didn't realize how much of this actually had floral print, so I don't know. Apparently it's just what I'm into this summer. But I love the front, the way that it crisscrosses right there. They had this in a couple of different colors. This was just my favorite because I just think this color looks best on me. But yeah, I just love the way that that shirt looks on me. I almost purchased the other colors because I think it came in like red and black as well. And if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you'll know I got a little bit injured and had to start going to PT and start working out. And the purpose of this story is because I decided to buy more workout clothes because I need them. I mean, I am working out more and I'm going to PT. And so I just wanted to get a couple of cute leggings. I don't know, I feel like you can really motivate yourself to like keep going working out if you buy some cute workout clothes, or at least that's the case for me anyways. If I can find a reason to go shopping for something, kind of motivates me to do it more. So yeah, I ended up going to TJ Maxx and they have this brand there that they sell like half price. It's Evolution and Creation. They have the cutest yoga pants, and let me tell you, they're really comfortable. So I bought 2 pairs of these, and they're usually retailed for $24.99, I want to say, and these were on sale for $14. So that was a really great price. I had to get these ones because of the skull print on them. I just love it. It reminds me of this art piece that my favorite YouTuber had hung up in her house. That was one of my favorite YouTubers. She inspires me to work out and be more motivated. So I don't know, when I saw those, I was like, okay, I just have to have that because of that skull print. So then I got that second pair, and that one's just like really colorful. It has like the little Buddha on the side and the leg. It's my style. I like everything that's like very colorful. And the only problem I had was that I couldn't find matching tops. So I'm going to have to like do something about that because I would have preferred like a crop top, sports top, or something like that to go with it, but I couldn't find the matching tops. I'm gonna check their website and see if they have any to go with this, but at that price, I just couldn't give it up, and who cares? I can just throw on a tank top and work out in that. It doesn't really matter. They are really comfortable to work out in and really lightweight, so I really enjoyed that. Yeah, guys, that's all the clothes for the shopping haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.